Okay, so we're on our level 3s. Your level 3s are talking about compound events, so that's like two things happening. For the level 3, they're always going to be independent. So like number 5, or the first independent compound event, we asked you if I'm rolling a single die, I want to know what is the probability of getting an even number and then getting a 4. So like we talked about before, there's two events here. The first event is going to be the probability of getting an even. The second event is going to be the probability of getting a 4. They're independent because you can imagine if I roll a die, I still have the sample space of 1 through 6. If I roll it again, it doesn't matter what I got previously, I still have the exact same sample space of 1 through 6. So my first event is going to be the probability of getting an even. So I know if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 2, 4, and 6 are even, so that's 1, 2, 3 out of a total of 6 numbers. Right? So my first probability is going to be 3 out of 6. My second probability is going to be the probability of getting a 4. There's only one 4 on a 6-sided die. We're going to go ahead and multiply those. When you multiply the two fractions, again, just multiply across the top. 3 times 1 is 3. Good job. 6 times 6 is 36. You can reduce down to 1/12. Either one of those will accept. Alright. The second problem that you guys did, which is low-key one of my favorite kind of problems, is if a person is guessing on a multiple choice exam. Right? So if I read it out, it says, on his multiple choice exam, Michael Scott guesses A on all 4 questions consisting of A, B, C, and D. And I don't know the probability that he gets them all correct. Right? So if I have a 4-question quiz, then I actually have 4 events, right? Because you can imagine, so A, B, C, D. If this is number 1, that's like my first event. If I guessed A, then I have a 1 out of 4 chance of getting that correct. On the second one, it's independent because I still have A, B, C, and D to choose from. If again I select A, I still have a 1 in 4 chance. This is going to be true for all 4 questions on that exam. I still have A, B, C, and D. A, B, C, and D. So if I select A on every single one of these, I have a 1 out of 4 chance. What I'm going to do with all 4 of these fractions is multiply them all together. So my first event, I had a 1 in 4 chance. My second event, I had a 1 in 4 chance. Same thing for my third, same thing for my fourth. Like I said before, all we're going to do is just multiply all these numbers together. So 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 is, well, 1. Multiplying my 4's together, which is going to be 4 to the 4th. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 16 is 256, I think. And yeah, so that's going to be your level 3 problems.